Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill like a pop for this love pain? Anybody got a prayer like a session for this love pain, yeah? Ooh, I need it for this love pain. Anybody got a prescription, yeah?
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am planning in my classic size Happy Planner, and I've pulled the sticker book goals to use for this week. Now I've also pulled these two die cuts, and they have come from this sheet. I've already cut some out. This sheet is going to be available in the July issue of Paper Planner Essentials. Now, how do you get the printable if it's an online magazine? Well, I had some very big news to share with you. This week, my Planner magazine has gone into print. So I'll leave a link down below so that you can check it out and see if you want to order one for your craft room. Here is the first printed issue, so I'll go ahead and show it to you. This is the July issue. Not July, this is June. I'm sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. But this is my Planner magazine. And I've got the first copy. This is the first printed copy. And since then, it has gone online for sale. And you can have one of these to put in your craft room. But this is it, and this is a really big deal for myself and my team. Here's a picture of my team right here, all wonderful, wonderful women. And so in the next issue, there is going to be a way for you to be able to pull these printables. So, really big news. For those of you that have already purchased your copy of the June issue, thank you, thank you, thank you. My team and I are really just overwhelmed at the response. Being online was great, but having this physical copy, that took us to a whole new level. So we have lots of things in store. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and pull the pages for this week. And I'm going to be planning for the last week in June. Can't believe July is almost here, but I'm planning for the week of June 22nd through the 28th. So I'll go ahead and pull those pages off the disc. And I will speed this video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, guys, that's it. I'm going to go ahead and put this back on the disc. See what it looks like. And really, there are so many uses I can think of for these little die cuts. I didn't want to use a lot of time today, so I just went ahead and printed them on some cardstock and put them in. But yeah, I think that's cute. And then here is the other side. So kind of simple spread, but because I have lots of goals to work on this week, I needed a lot of white space. I'm a white space planner, so I usually have a lot of white space in my planner anyway. But yep, that's it. So I love how it turned out. So if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.